Welcome, welcome. It is Sunday. Just finished printing this pin holder in the Galaxy Blue from everyone. It's called Nebula Blue. Then on the other X1 carbon, I finally got the turtles, sea turtles to print after 3 failures. And then on the P1P, working on some experiments. So these were the last turtles that I printed. I just went ahead and finished printing them. You can see the layer shift in the front right there, along with the top of the shell. So these two would be discounted as a pair, and then you got a squirrel waving at you. This guy was a misprint as well, just a different color. Came out beautifully though. So that's gonna be it for right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Welcome, welcome. It is Monday. Tried to print some hippos, except I had a pause for some reason. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there in the top of the head where the ears are, layer shift. So also new for the website, have some otters, some river otters. Well, this is going to be the baby and the mother. Came out great. Doesn't look like any issues. Can't be mad about that. So I'm going to try to run the hippos on this one again, because failure on this. And then these cute little guys. Got to get some product photos made for these guys and then put them on the site. That's going to be it for today. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Good afternoon. It is Tuesday. Just finished up this hippo. This was a failed print. So have a slight layer shift down there. It is worse on the other side. You can see it right there. So failed print. And then I printed it again. Another failed print. So 2 failed prints. I do think it's time to start taking the printers apart and doing a deep clean on them. It's been a few weeks since I've done this, so not only that is where the failed print came from. So I'm going to go ahead and get both of these printers taken apart, get them clean, recalibrated, and I'm going to be gone for the next couple of days. So both of these prints will take about 48 hours to do. So by the time I get back, I have a work event to go to. By the time I get back, they'll both be completed. So hopefully I don't come back to this again. And then on the P1S, let's see. This is the only thing that passed. Had part of a snake from Matt Meyer Makes. Both of these are from Matt Meyer Makes. The hippo and the snake. This is a ball python. I just have to get the head printed. This is also from Matt Meyer Makes. This is going to be the otters. I scaled this down to 80%. I'm not too fond of the otters, the river otters, but that's just me. I may scale this one back. I may do another one and just scale it up to 100%. Same for the hippos. I have an adult one that's at 100% and the baby is at 80%. And I decided to go a little smaller on the otters. Unfortunately, the only thing that is salvageable are the tails, so I'm going to go ahead and keep those in case I ever need them. I don't know why I put a brim on this. Normally I do not. I think this was something in the slicer that I overlooked, so now this has to be cleaned up. And that's going to take a while. It's supposed to be a fidget ball. I do like the way this rose came out though. Beautiful. I'm glad I switched to these roses. Got your prime tower, chunky, If you guys are 3D printing, get to know your printer. There was a brim on this one, and look how nasty that is. I normally adjust the brim for the printer that I use, and this one I just went straight from what Matt Meyer makes has already in the slicer, and this is horrible. Kind of glad I have to reprint this now. So I'm gonna go mess with the slicer and make sure I have it at my settings for my actual printer. So yeah, look at that brim. It is completely, there's no gap in there at all. Don't know what happened. So I'll check it and let you guys know. If you plan on getting this file from Matt Meyer Makes and printed it yourself, please check the brim. The other ones I never really have an issue with, just this one I have. I'm glad I have these other tails printed, because this right here, this is garbage. I'm not even gonna attempt to try to take the brim off this. So I'm just gonna throw them in the garbage. Snake was nice and clean. So this came out clean. Very clean. Had a brim on it, brim came off nice and easy. Had some supports, nice and easy. Nothing had to be adjusted on this file. Texture PEI plate from Bamboo Lab. And let me see how you do this. So just extends it, makes it longer. So that is gonna be part of your snake. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm terrified of snakes. I don't know why I printed this, just to put it on the shop. I hope no one ever orders one. But that doesn't mean I'm not gonna print it if somebody does order it. I absolutely hate snakes. Like, holding this gives me the heebie-jeebies. Even though it's plastic, it creeps me out. So this is what the hippo looks like. I forgot the joint for the head, so I'm gonna have to print those up really quick. But that's what he looks like. Mouth closes, opens. I think that's pretty cool. I like that feature in this one. It looks really cool. So I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. It is late Thursday. Told you guys I was gonna be gone for a few days for schooling, for work. I am back, did some manatees up, came out flawlessly. Been working on the hippos again. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. There is no failures as of yet. A lot of stringing going on though. So I think I need to dry the filament. And then look how beautiful this color looks. These roses, when you do them in gradient, that looks absolutely amazing. Can you guys guess what brand of filament this is? So by this weekend, I'm going to be doing some comparisons with the Airy one and some Zyro and possibly some Bamboo Labs, just to show you guys, because I have nothing but gradient colors in Zyro. This one is Zyro. I can't get over how wonderful this rose looks. I will talk to you guys later and I'll show you what's going on with that. Peace. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is Friday. I'm gonna start taking the X1 carbons apart, clean them, do some maintenance on them. I just did the AMS systems about a week ago. I replaced some of the tubing in both of them. And I got my little table cleaned off. So I took everything off. It's all right here behind me, which is a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these two clean, maintenance done, along with this P1S so I can get it back to my friend. And then I'm gonna fix this P1S so I can get it back to him as well. I really need some tables. Time to get these two taken apart and do some maintenance on it. Have everything that I need right here. You ever wonder what the back of an X1 carbon looks like with the plate off? With the back cover off? Alright, I gotta go go through here and clean this baby up. And this is the easiest way to get at this rod. All right, new setup. Just moved around a little bit, not too much. Have something going on in the P1S. Getting some stuff made for the shop, so I can start putting these products on there. Also have some product pictures that I'm doing. I just got both of these hippos put on the shop. Got an adult, baby. Same thing for the manatees, adult and baby. Now that's gonna be it for today. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, good morning. It is Saturday morning. I'm finally gonna get this final P1S taken apart, clean, maintenance done, so I can get all of his printers back to him. I don't know what happened to the print bed. It looks like maybe the nozzle scraped up against it. That looks horrible. Not only that, is that nozzle back there looks bent. And it's like filthy everywhere. Like, look at that mess. Not gonna lie, I think this is worse than the other P1S and the X1 Carbon when I took it apart. Looks like I have my work cut out for me on this one. I hope I have enough parts. But I'll be back with you guys and let you know what the results are. Alright, so this thing, like I said, was filthy. Got it cleaned up some. I do have to replace this tubing up top. I don't even know if I have enough. I don't think I do. Hopefully I do. And it looks like there was a huge clog there. So I'm going to take this extruder apart and get it cleaned. Make sure nothing else is broken. I believe I have one more hot end if he needs it. And extruder I do not have. I do not have another extruder. But unfortunately I can't really turn this thing on yet because I forgot he did not give me a cord for this one. So I have to wait for the other P1S to be done so I can borrow that cord to start calibrating this thing and moving the rods up and down so I can lubricate the rods. Alright, that hot end is definitely bent. Really disgusting. So I'm going to go ahead, I do have one more hot end, I'm just going to go ahead and replace it. Take this extruder apart and clean it. Looks pretty dirty in there. A lot of people keep asking me where I get this little kit. I actually bought this from Temu. It was originally like 150 bucks. I bought it on sale for like 25 bucks. They have all kinds of variations of it, but it's really nice, really simple. It all folds up, it's a magnet, but from Temu. Rechargeable. I think I've charged this once and I've had it for maybe 6 months. And I just charged it. Nifty little tool. Alright, so had to replace the hot end, had to replace the extruder, brand new extruder, brand new gears. I used the shell, a new fan. The fan had filament stuck in it, melted in it. I wasn't going to attempt to try to fix that, so I'm going to put this back together, get the rods all lubricated, and then hopefully in about an hour or two get this thing turned on, and hopefully we can do a print real quick. Our P1S is all clean. Every time I go to calibrate, this is what it keeps saying. I don't know what's going on with that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to thank you for sticking around and watching this madness. Make sure you check back in next week where I dive into what's going on with this P1S printer. Plus, I'm going to be doing a full review of every one filament. We're talking print quality and comparison with some of my personal favorites and whatever else comes my way.
Wait, people actually watch this?
Yes, Red, apparently they do. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. It means more than you know.
Yeah, because he checks it every 5 minutes.
I thought I got rid of you a long time ago. Anyway, thank you all again, and like always, print on, my friends.